Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, My Life with Rani Arora. So today we are gonna make penny pasta and macaroni. So let's get started. For this I have taken a tumbler and put water in it, and I have put some oil and salt in it. Now we will boil the water and put the macaroni and pasta inside it and boil it. Keep the flame high for some time, and now we are boiling the water. Now the water is boiled, we will put macaroni and penny pasta inside it. Now I have put some oil in the kadhai. Now we will wait till the oil get heated. Now the oil is heated. We will put veggies inside the kadhai. Now I have put all the veggies inside the kadhai. Now we will wait till it gets heated and all the onions get slightly pink. Now we will add Indian masalas. First of all, we will add salt according to taste, then haldi powder and chili powder according to your taste, how much you like it and how much you like. Now our macaroni is boiled and penny pasta is also boiled, so we will drain out all the excess of water in a sieve. Now we have drained out all the water out of all the penny pasta and the macaroni. Now our tadka is ready. Now we will put some water in it. Now we will add Maggi masala. Now we have add Maggi masala inside it. Now we can see that the water is rising, so we will add penny pasta and macaroni in it. Now we add macaroni and penny pasta. Now we will mix it well. Now we have added sauce in it. Now we will mix it. Now our yummy penny pasta with macaroni is ready to eat. Thanks for watching, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel, like the video and share this video to all your friends and relatives. Bye bye. Take care.